Hey everybody, welcome to part 4 of the Sesami overview. If you're new here, my name is Alex Evans and I'm the CEO of Raging Websites. So let's get right into it. Today we're going to be making a product and we need to make sure that the product actually works with Sesami. So Sesami uses some background code to ensure that your product actually is a service and that people can actually book it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going into the products tab up here in the left and I'm creating a mock product. So I just called it the Sesami service tutorial. Obviously you'll go through all this top functionality like you normally would, select where you want it to be. For right now, I only want it on my online and I've already added my image. Cool. So it's all in here. We can set the price at $10. That's totally fine. And it's not, I don't need to track the quantity of it. It's all good. It's not a physical product. That's fine. But this is really where you're going to make sure that your product is operational. So it's going to be in this options tab and we're going to click this product has options like size or color, and what we're going to do is we're going to name option name as duration. That is the only way that Sesami is going to understand. And then from here we can actually type in 40 minutes or 2 hours or even 6 hours, right? We just need to let Sesami know exactly how long things are going to take so that way it can make room for it in the schedule or not allow people to book. One important thing here is that I like to do is normally add a name to it. So let's say we're in the automotive space. I would just do cars or 2 hours SUV or trucks. That just gives people a better idea. Cool. So we have that all in there, and we can even do the variant pricing. So we'll just up everything by $5. And let me hit save. Let's make this active. And we'll just do a quick preview of it. You'll notice on the preview that we're not actually able to see the book time. And that's for a very specific reason. It's because we have not added this product to Sesami. So stick around. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make sure that we have this product actually inside of our Sesami account.